was really loud. I did not expect that.
Tell us why you're here.
Because I have scoliosis. My back hurts and my neck hurts.
And how's your range of motion in your neck?
Not good. I can only look one direction.
Yeah. And you can tell, like even when she's laying down here, how this entire torso is to the left side. See it? Mm-hmm. Shoulders are to the left of the hips right here. And then we can see, like we found during the exam that we did, that leg is a little bit shorter here on the right side. Did you feel a little click in there?
Yeah.
Ooh, that one was loud. That one was really loud. I did not expect that. What the heck? Ooh, that one was loud. I felt that like right where my back and my neck connect.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
right. Lift your right leg right from your hip as high as you can. No, straighten it.
like-
Yeah, yep. Down. Now the other one. Okay. Now move your head around a little bit. Is it a little bit looser?
It feels a lot looser.
Yeah.
Like there's not as much tension.